Hey, you guys, it's Mrs. Kid again. Hey, I hope you guys have had a good time with your comic strips, kind of getting those going for the week. The next piece that you guys are going to be working on is actually some vocab that will help you be able to dive a little bit deeper into the poem that we'll be studying next week. So I wanted to walk you guys through that really quick to show you what my expectations are. So let's take a look. Okay. Yes, vocabulary. Good job. All right. So if you guys go into the assignment under Poetry Unit in Google Classroom, you guys will see an assignment that says vocabulary. And if you open it up, this is the PDF attachment that you guys will find. So if you have a printer, that's awesome. You can print it out and do the assignment right here on the page. If you don't have a printer, it's fine. Just grab you a piece of blank paper, divide your page up into different sections, and you're just going to kind of recreate this worksheet on your own. So if you have a square, if you look up there, that first one, you're going to write maiden at the top, and then you're going to make sure that you include your definition. A maiden is a girl, young, unmarried woman. Okay. And then there's a piece where it's asking for a picture or for a symbol. So again, this is not an art class, but sometimes, especially with vocabulary, if you guys are working both sides of your brain, you end up remembering it better and longer. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about each of these vocab words from the poem that we'll be studying, and I want you to come up with a picture, an illustration, or maybe even just a symbol for each one. And I'm going to show you guys, I just did a couple of them and put them here in this slideshow for you guys so that you can see, so that you kind of get an idea of what I'm after. Okay, so one of the ones I did was the winged seraph, or the winged seraph, which means angel. So I drew a picture of an angel, or what I think an angel might look like. Yours does not have to look like this. Again, this is not an art class, so stick figures are fine. Just try to make sure that your illustration really reflects that definition. Okay, so that was one that I did, was the winged seraph. This next one, a highborn kinsman, which is a wealthy or noble family member. So I picked one guy that was really rich, and he's sitting on a pile of money, and this is his cousin over there in the strange outfit. I don't really know what I was doing there with the colors, but that he's poor. He's opening his pocket, and little moths are flying out. Okay, so he comes to his cousin and is like, "Hey, you just bought me a 20, so I can go get some lunch." Okay. So that was what I did for a highborn kinsman. Kinsman means somebody that you're related to, and highborn means that you are wealthy or noble. Okay, so that's why he's sitting on his pile of money. I hope you all have a highborn kinsman that helps you guys out, right? All right, and then the last one that I wanted to show you guys was the sepulcher. This is a tomb where someone is buried. Now, I know there are all different kinds of tombs out there. Lots of you guys went and helped your older siblings when they were doing the grave rubbings, when they went over to the Decla Cemetery. And if you were there, you saw there are all different kinds of places where people are buried. The one that is in the poem is talking more about the big ones, but it's okay too if you just want to do a headstone. Okay, as long as it helps you remember that it's someplace where someone is buried. Okay, so this one is pretty self-explanatory. Not too bad. When you're finished with it, snap a picture and upload it into Classroom. Hope you guys are having a great week. Remember to get creative and have fun. See you later.